the most charming bars in Jerez are hidden behind a very uncommon name, Tabanco. Right now we're at Tabanco Plateros and we're trying some cream sherry, mildly sweet. And we're trying some chicharrones. It's cold fried pork meat as an appetizer. Lekker. Jerez is world famous for its sherry. Sherry is the English word for Jerez. Now we're in Tabanco El Pasaje. It's a very old Tabanco from 1925. Filled with pictures from toreadores, very good wines and of course good sherries. This is another cream sherry. Artichokes marinated in Pedro Ximenez. And they also have live flamenco shows. So in a few minutes we're going to see a flamenco show here on the stage. And also something very special is that you write your check, your bill on the counter. Okay, after visiting the bodega, we're now trying some sherries. First the Havis Fino. 5 years of fermenting, 15 percentage. And it's a bit too dry for my taste. Second sherry, Oloroso. 7 years of aging and 70% out of the casket. Better amber color, but it's still dry. And I'm a sweet tooth, so it's still not my favorite one. Yours? El Número 3, Havis Bristol Cream. And this one is really sweet. We have some ice and a piece of orange in it. And this is more to my taste. It is sweet. The last one is it's a brandy, a Fundador Triple Madeira brandy. Strong in alcohol. Whew. Oh, what was the percentage of this one?
38.
38. 38. It's a bit much alcohol. I like the previous one better, but this is very strong. And brandy is invented thanks to the Dutch people. Just remember that. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and watch the next video.
Dream
Explore and
travel with us.